you to make this super tasty red lentil soup. It's healthy, budget-friendly, high in fiber, gluten-free, and vegan, and it's great for meal prep. So here's a little preview of our ingredients. I'm going to put up all the ingredients, and you can just pause the screen if you want to have a look at that or check on the website. So the first thing we're going to do is rinse our lentils really well. If you don't rinse them, they can end up making you gassy and things like that. So you definitely want to be rinsing your lentils super well before you cook with them. And then in a large saucepan on medium heat, throw in some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to add in our small diced yellow onion. And we're going to add in our carrots as well. So we're actually going to cook these down until they're soft. You don't want to skip this step. It makes the flavors come out so much better when you do this. So we're going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're getting nice and aromatic and until those are softened up. And now we're going to add in our spices. So 2 bay leaves, we're going to throw those in, and then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian spice blend. You can use other spice blends. It doesn't have to be Italian. I just find this tastes really good, but there's so many spices you can work with. This is a really versatile soup. You can change it up a lot. Then you want to stir that for 1 to 2 minutes and let those spices really cook in. And we're going to add in 4 cloves of minced garlic, and we're going to cook for about another 30 seconds, stirring that in really well. Just get that lightly cooked before we start adding the rest of our ingredients. Now, the vegetables and everything, if you want to add in celery or different vegetables that you have lying around the house, you can definitely add those in. This is very flexible. Then we're going to add in 4 cups. I used chickenless broth and 1 cup of water. So it's a vegan broth that has kind of that, I guess, chickeny flavor, and it's really great in soups. And then we're going to add in 1 1/2 cups of our rinsed lentils. So again, make sure those are rinsed really well, and we're going to dump those right into the mixture, making sure we get all the lentils out of the bowl, cleaning all that up so we don't have any food waste. And then 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't have that, you can use a 1/3 cup of tomato sauce. It could even be a marinara. Like, this soup is really flexible, so it's whatever you have. And then hot chili flakes to taste. Add a little bit of spice to the soup. Then we're going to mix that all in together. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes and stirring occasionally throughout so that nothing sticks to the bottom. And then we're going to scoop out 2 cups of the soup and pour it into a blender. This is optional, but it just makes it a really nice consistency. So we're going to blend that up really well. We're going to add the blended mixture back into the soup and mix that all together on medium heat. Now I'm going to add in my greens. It's optional, but I had some greens at home, so I added some kale in that I massaged with olive oil. We're going to cook until soft, so usually about 5 minutes, and then we can serve up the soup, and you can top it with some fresh parsley or whatever fresh herbs you have around, and definitely lots of fresh ground black pepper, and that is ready to go. This is a great side dish, appetizer, lunch item, great with bread, great on its own. If you like this recipe and this video, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button below to get more videos like this one.